Wait a minute, something's funny's going on here. Oh, we're gonna have a little surprise. yeah, lock the door, speak, okay, get out, yeah. Uh-oh. You know, it's not gonna be dueling banjos. But it appears to be two. Okay, Andrew and I are gonna
check those things in tune.
attempt an old country gentleman tune.
It's true. Okay, the only thing worse than two banjos is 2 out of tune banjos. So.
Well, I'm not tuning mine, so tune to me. Okay, there's an old country gentleman tune, one called This Morning at 9.
Oh my.
1, 2, this morning at 9. Bitter tears I'm shedding, oh, because of you. I'm like an old prisoner serving his time. Thinking of the day when love was true, but you and another this morning at 9. It started to cry when I realized you never would be mine. Just then I remembered what day it really was. You and another this morning at 9. Bitter tears I'm shedding, all because of you. I'm like a lonely prisoner serving his time. Thinking of the day when love was true, but you and another this morning at 9. Bitter tears I'm shedding, all because of you. I'm like a lonely prisoner serving his time. Thinking of the day